create products that are not in the Amazon catalog one at a time, go to Inventory, Add a Product. You should then click I'm adding a product not sold on Amazon. The first step is to select a category. You will then be taken through a series of pages where you can enter the product details. You can choose between an advanced and a basic view. And at the top here, it will show you the pages which contain compulsory information. So here we can see in red the compulsory fields for this product. And it also contains compulsory fields on the Offer tab. The vital info includes the item name, the product ID, and you also need to select a product ID, for example, a barcode or an EAN, a brand name. You may find if the brand name is not already in Amazon brand registry or has not been registered on Amazon, you will not be able to list the product. You will have to register the brand first. Further down this page, on the first page, the vital info page, you will enter items like color and color map and size. You try and fill in as many of these attributes as possible, because the more information you give your customers, the more likely they will be to make a purchase. If you're creating a variation, you need to select a variation theme. It is generally easier to create variations via an upload file, so I will not go into details here. For the offer, you need to set your seller SKU. This is the SKU which will appear in your inventory details here under SKU. You also need a price and a quantity. If you set a quantity of greater than 0, you can also set a handling time. You can set a handling time if there's going to be delay in dispatching your item. The product tax code can be set here. There is a list of tax code available. If you go to Inventory Settings, Tax Settings, you'll be able to see a list of valid tax codes for your products. Entering the tax code is important if you're a business seller and you need to provide VAT invoices for your customers. This is where the merchant shipping group is set. This defines where the product can be sold and what the shipping rates are. And finally, here at the bottom, you choose the fulfillment options, whether you want to fulfill the product yourself or let Amazon fulfill it. Compliance details are for if your product contains hazardous items like batteries or other chemicals. Under the image tab, you can upload up to 9 images. The first image should be the hero or main image for the product. This is the image which will appear in the search results, and so it is important to have a very clear image on a white background, which encourages customers to buy the item. Before adding images, you should consult the Amazon image guidelines. Under the description tab, you can add a product description and up to 5 key features. The description can be HTML, and you can also add a legal disclaimer, for example, if there are terms and conditions with the sale of your product. The keyword tab is for additional keywords which for some reason you haven't been able to get into your product description. There is no need to put commas in between different keywords. Finally, under more details, has information which goes into the technical details on the product listing page. You should try and fill in as many of these attributes as possible because they are indexed by search. Once you finish editing your item, you can click Save and Finish. Your item should appear under your Manage Inventory tab within 15 or so minutes. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.